Hello guys, I'm Kristen via Bichua and I'm here to cook egg tart. Here are the ingredients. First is put some butter in the bowl, then mix it. Continuously mix the butter, then next is the sugar. Then mix it again. Continuously mix it, then next put some beaten egg. Then 1 teaspoon of salt together with some vanilla. Then mix it properly. After mixing, put some flour. Then continuously mix it. And if the texture of the dough became like this, you can use your hand to knead it. Knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After kneading, cover the dough and place it in the refrigerator. On the other hand, put some warm water to dissolve the sugar. After that, put some beaten egg in the bowl and some water with sugar together with the evaporated milk and also some vanilla syrup. Then, mix it accurately. After 1 hour, get the dough out of the refrigerator. Then, using rolling pin, make the dough flatten accurately. Make some circle. Put some oil in the egg tart molder. Put the dough in the egg tart molder. Then, remove the excess. After that, put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours to make your crust more crunchy. After 2 hours, put the mixed ingredients in the dough. And steam it until you achieve the texture of the egg tart. Finished product! Thank you for watching!